Hello boss, what is the difficulty of selling German engine parts in Middle East? I think the most difficulty is inventory adaptation. German cars have too many models and SKUs. It's difficult to show up and money is pressure. Fast-moving parts are easy out of stock and cause lose customers. And not moving parts take up that file. What's more, if RAM number check wrong, model can't match. The parts need to return rewards or even open the engine again. It will waste time and lose your customer. Basically, focus on engine parts. Our product can well match cars, have stable and reliable quality, help you saving working hours. We have large inventory. No matter hot selling or unpopular parts, choose us, make your files transfer faster and easier to use. Make workshop fewer mistakes and reward. Customer can rest assured. If you're looking well matched German engine parts, contact us.